Okay, and I got some news involving the LG V60 ThinQ 5G, and it is official that Android 11 will be coming to the LG V60 ThinQ 5G in apparently 5 days. We know they were testing the beta a couple months ago here, and this is flagship for LG. So let's get right into it. Hey, I got some facts for you because you know I am Mr. Resources. So you're looking at the LG V60 ThinQ 5000 milliamp battery, which is top of the food chain for LG. Now, LG didn't open up an Android 11 beta testing program alongside Google. The company kick-started public beta testing for the LG Velvet in South Korea back in December. Furthermore, there were rumors that LG began testing Android 11 for the LG V60 ThinQ internally in November. Now, T-Mobile also, as we also reported that the company released the Android 11 kernel source code for Verizon variant of the LG V60 ThinQ 5G, thereby suggesting that the update may begin rolling out soon. Now, it appears that this might indeed be the case, as we've come across an alleged screenshot of a conversation between an individual and a T-Mobile expert of the exact rollout time. So here is that screenshot, and anybody that ever chatted with T-Mobile's experts, this is exactly how it looks. So I'll get right to it. T-Mobile said, yes, I will call again, 1 sec. And the other person said, hello, I was curious if anyone would know when Android 11 will be sent out to the LG V60. And the expert said, thank you for messaging us. It looks like there's a wait, but we'll be with you as soon as we can. We appreciate your patience. Self-service options are available. And then they came back and said, how's it going? It is great to meet you. My name is John, and I will be your personal messaging expert with your personal team of experts. Can't wait to get that update myself. I got you, and I want to make sure that I do everything to take care of you today. From what I'm showing, it is rolling out in waves starting. Yep, January the 22nd of 2021, which is only 5 days away. Now, we know LG clearly has always been slow about their rollouts. This is just how they are. But in the screenshot, T-Mobile claims that the Android 11 is slated to be released in waves starting January the 22nd for the LG V60 ThinQ. So, yep, they have the source. The new update is expected to bring a host of new features and improvements, as well as a tweaked user interface. Yeah, like this will put this smartphone. This is already the best LG phone, in my opinion. I've been trying to find another LG phone. The wing is fresh, which means it's a fresh new idea, but the specs is not flagship on the LG wing. They're not. This is a beast. This is a powerhouse. We're talking, easily top 10 phones out to get. This will be in the top 10 conversation, budget-wise and power-wise. Now, there isn't much known about the LG's upcoming Android 11 skin, but we'll have to wait for the update to roll out. And if T-Mobile starts seeding Android 11 for the LG V60 ThinQ 5G within the next few days, it's highly likely that the update will also go live for the LG Velvet and other recent flagships for LG. Moreover, other carriers would also start rolling out Android 11 for the LG V60 ThinQ 5G around the same time. So just stay tuned, and I will keep you guys up to date on this. But as of now, as you can look right here, according to T-Mobile and Mr. Resources himself, you can expect a rollout for the LG V60 5G on January the 22nd. Like this video, leave your comment, share this on YouTube, TikTok, as well as Facebook. More importantly, subscribe.